Today, kids, welcome to Cooking with Me. Today, I will teach you how to make a sandwich, because I'm good at them. Yeah. Alright, first you want to get your bread here. And then what you want to do is, if you see this thing, don't use this thing. You don't want to take that thing out, get your 2 slices of bread, and then put this thing back in, which is bread, but you just don't want to use it because it's useless. You want to get your knife. Okay, kids, actually don't try this at home. I'm going to teach you nothing. Don't eat that, dog. I'm teaching them how to eat. Alright, then you want to get your... Stop! You can't have the bread. Sorry. So then you just want to... Stop! You don't get it. You just want to tear it so it's good, nice, and you can have that. So you want to have a little hole in your bread to make your sandwich. And then, get off my foot! I will feed it to you when we're done. And then, you want to put your hole right this. And then have your bread. And then I'll show you bread with the hole. Then I'll show you step 2. Alright, then finally you want to put your favorite topping in it. And then get, like my favorite is balloon, obviously. And then you want to get it, put it on there, and then throw it in the oven. And then I'll show you what will come up when we're done. Yeah, that didn't go so well.